Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Tesla price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Before we start in the overview of Tesla, I just want to show you that our scenario has worked very perfectly toward the downside, hitting our blue box as expected exactly at the 1-to-1 fib level $336. Well, very nice to see that, of course, that this has unfolded perfectly with our prediction. As always, actually, nothing surprise for me, but I mean, I just, of course, want to make sure that, of course, that you are following the channel, guys, and of course, to take benefit of these videos that I do, because of course, mostly the stocks are very easy regarding cryptocurrency. Normally, with cryptocurrency is much more complicated. However, Tesla, on the overview, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We are currently in our fifth waves toward the upside, where we are looking, of course, for an ending diagonal toward the upside. And of course, as we can see in this ending diagonal, we have hit almost perfectly the 1-to-1 fib level. At the same time, we are focusing at this area as a wave 4, of course, for this ending diagonal, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, the problem here that I have is that the wave 3 is longer than your wave 1. This is the only problem that I have with it, and currently it's still an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, until, of course, invalidation, your wave 4 hit, of course, here this wave 1. Now, the other problem that I have with it, of course, that we still need one more wave 4 towards the upside to finish anyways this wave 3 for higher prices. So basically, currently we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for an impulse, unless, of course, lower prices or invalidation, which is exactly here. So here we go. So this, of course, invalidation of impulse, but it doesn't mean that we cannot be in an ending diagonal of impulse, right? Which is a price action at $299. Okay, once we take this price, therefore, lower possibility that we are gonna continue for a wave 4 and a 5, but we're gonna dive deeper, of course, a little bit more for A, B, and a C, and then moving toward the upside for a wave 5, meaning, of course, we're still bullish, but lower prices first. Yeah, this is a difference. Yeah, with the bullish, you would like to continue from here, guys, for higher prices, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. For the bearish, of course, you would like to continue a little bit lower, hit the perfect fib levels here, 0.5, and then continuation towards the upside. This is exactly the difference. So let's move to the daily here. On the daily, we are looking perfectly for an ABC in case this is an impulse as well. It has replied perfectly at 1-to-1 fib level 336. Very nice. Now, expect, of course, higher prices, guys, because before invalidation, you would like to see higher prices. This is exactly what we want to see after a correction, which is also nice to see. Now, you can see here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's too much 1, 2s here. So yeah, I suggest this is kind of like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, your wave 4 did not hit, but your wave 3 is a little bit questionable. You don't see 5 impulsive wave in your wave 3, and your wave 4 is shallow in time regarding the wave 2. So yeah, to be honest, I don't see it completed. I see, of course, let's say this is a wave 3, then 4, 5. Still possible, okay, be careful. It's still possible to get a wave 5 toward the downside to finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C, extended wave C. But in case this turns to something much bearish, which it can be double 1, 2, yeah, so be careful from it, where we have probably even bigger 1, 2, and then big wave 3 was one more wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so that is also possible, so be careful. It might, of course, bring us already down to the perfect fib levels. However, you would like to see continuation toward the upside. It can be WXY, nobody knows. A zigzag, finish zigzag. That is a possibility. That it can be W, X, and Y, of course, as zigzags. and moving toward the upside for a wave B, because you finish wave A, 3 waves down, and then one more wave toward the downside in case we are in ending diagonal. In case we are still bullish, WXY finished wave 4 here, and then continuation simply towards the upside for a wave 5. You would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as an impulse, of course, continuation for higher prices. On the 15-minute chart, do we have a signal for an impulse? Not really yet. Not really yet. It's yeah, it's a mix. It's a mix. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, it's a mix. Your wave 4 is very shallow, but and your wave 3 is very shallow. So your wave 5 cannot be longer than your wave 3. So you would like to come to here and then move toward the downside for a wave 2. 3, 4, and a 5 for bullish. In case your wave 2 take the low, then yeah, bye-bye for bullish scenario. You have to still look for lower, of course, and yeah, to check what's gonna happen in the next price action. So basically, on the 1 hour chart, yeah, 1 hour time frame, I would say probable one more low. And probably if this turns into impulse, if you don't take the low here, let's put some fib levels for you guys here to guide well this scenario. So these are the wave 2 scenarios. You would like to hit the perfect fib level 0.618, 0.786 after you get one more high. Yeah? If you don't get a high here and we start to move down without getting the high, finishing 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, then forget about the bullish. Yeah, so we need to take the high. Once you take the high, you would like, of course, to retrace between those fib levels, and then continuation to the upside. Taking the 886, 328, meaning, of course, more lower downwards price. Yeah, that was it for Tesla. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.